Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download YouHodler application on your Android phone. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your Play Store and go to the search box and type in YouHodler and search. Look for this application and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android phone. Wait until the application is downloaded, which will take you several minutes. YouHodler is a multi-purpose platform that combines crypto wallet functionalities with earning, borrowing, trading, and spending features. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to open the application. And that's how you can easily download YouHodler on your Android phone in a couple of minutes. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.